Very good morning, Vivites, on a very good Monday morning again. Very good morning to Mr. Ajay Kumar, Mr. Prasanna Rao, Charan, Chandrasekhar, Mr. Janaya. Very good morning, Mr. Pradeep. Good morning, Mr. Dinesh, Ms. Girija, Mr. Prince Reddy. Very good morning, Saurabh Agarwal, Raghu Vamsharaj, MK Vijay, Shamir Mohammed. A very good morning to all Vivites. I welcome you all to this fabulous Monday again, a Monday morning with all new information on the product iPulse. So are you curious to know about this? Well, yes, certainly yes, everybody of you for that matter. Well, a very good morning, Mr. Vijay, Mr. Saurabh, Mr. Shamir. A very good morning to all Vivites. So very good morning, Mr. Kamal, Zatin, Mulur, Jagadish, Karkera. A very good morning, Mr. Dinesh, Rampal. A very good morning, Mr. Joseph, Wi-Fi. A very good morning, Jyotsna, Pradeep, Harish Kumar, Priya Shivaram, Gaurav Jha. A very good morning, Mr. Jatinder, Mr. Babu, Ms. Nilima, Mr. Ragind. A very good morning to all the Vivites again. Well, as every one of you know, this is a continuous Facebook Live series, which is a very important program which is brought about by Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, which is called as Ask Your Doctor, where I hope most of your queries regarding the wellness products of Indus Viva has been answered. And as I've told you, every day I'm going to cover a very important topic on each and every product which is relevant to the current scenario, which is a very important promotional and marketing tool for all you people. Along with this, I will be speaking about one particular ingredient in the product so that every one of you will be benefited by seeing this. So most of you would have been benefited by now, not only in India but also in the United States. Well, my dear friends, I would also like to tell you that on every Friday night 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, I will be speaking about the product iVed as well for the US Vivites. So if someone doesn't know, please ask them to like our Facebook page on Indus Viva INC or the Indus Viva US Facebook page. Please like the page, and then you can see me live on Friday nights at 10 p.m. especially for the US Vivites. I'll be speaking about the product iVed there. Well, my dear friends, a very good Monday again. So I've previously told you to call this Monday as the iPulse Day. So I hope my video and audio are clear to everyone. So if someone can give me a thumb on that, it will be a very good thing. So I hope my video and audio are clear. It's audible and visible to everyone. So with this note, I would like to welcome you all again. So very good morning, Mr. Manju, Mr. Himadri, Mr. Deepak, Mr. Tejesh, Mr. Amal, Mr. Shivakumar, Ms. Savita. A very good morning all Vivites again. Well, I'd like to start my topic on this iPulse today. So as everyone knows, iPulse is a frontline immune booster product. So in fact, all the Indus Viva products for that matter are considered to be frontline immune booster products. And it also has its impact and health benefits, and especially the functional health benefits on different organs or systems of the body as well. Well, my dear friends, today I am going to speak to you about two important points in iPulse. One is the importance of immunity and fruits. The second point is the super fruits of the product iPulse. I hope you got my point. Again, I want to repeat this for you. The first thing I am going to speak is about the immunity and fruits. The second point that I am going to speak to today here is regarding the super fruits of the product iPulse. Well, my dear friends, so the first and the foremost thing is, as everyone knows, the concept of immunity is being spoken by each and everyone today in the whole of India as well as the whole of the world. Because when one person keeps up his or her immunity intact, automatically you will not be suffering from any kind of a viral disease in future, my dear friends. Well, I'd like to talk about one important article which appeared in the Times of India on May the 29th, a very recent article which says that better immunity helps Indians resist COVID-19 infections, says Dr. Amarendra Kumar, who is a professor at Harvard Medical College and a principal investigator in one of the hospitals in the United States of America. You know, my dear friends, this is what is an article which is written by an Indian origin doctor who is working as a professor at the Harvard Medical School in the United States, stating that immunity can help Indians resist COVID-19 infection. Well, my dear friends, we have an armory of immune booster products with us, with Indus Viva, which can help you fight this particular infection by improving your immunity status, which is very important. Well, the article says something like this: the fatality rates in India are much less than those in the United States of America because of the better immune system of Indians and strict enforcement of lockdown in the country. See, this is an article which is written by an Indian origin person in the United States and talking about immunity of the Indians, which is better as compared to different races on this planet. This is one of the important things that everyone has to know. Well, there are around 296, again I am repeating this number, my dear friends, 296 clinical trials which are underway in this world for finding out a COVID-19 vaccine. 296 clinical trials, but we don't know what the result is. But so we cannot hope for a good result at the earliest. We don't know when the vaccines are going to come, when the medicines are going to come into the market. But my dear friends, I want to tell you one thing. Definitely we have the frontline immune boosters with us, which can definitely help us resist this particular infection and give us better life. This is what exactly we have with us, my dear friends. I hope you got my point. Well, going ahead, I have already spoken about herd immunity, but here I am going to talk about another article which again appeared in the Times of India in its online blog on May the 29th, which says that a herd immunity could actually work in a youthful India. See, you compare India with a country like Italy. In Italy, most of the cases which succumb to death happened in old ages. Most of the Italy's population are old population. Whereas in a country like India, the youth or the young population is relatively more as compared to the older population. So this is how, my dear friends, I am telling, India is actually become, it is trying to become resistant to the disease because of the younger age groups. And whenever you see the fatality chart in India also, it is always the older age groups which are succumbing to the disease and not the younger age groups, my dear friends. This is also very important. But again, I am trying to tell you here, even for youth or the young people, in order to keep up their immunity status, it is always important for them to consume the immune booster supplements so that their immunity status is kept intact and automatically they can be free from all kinds of viral diseases or bacterial diseases or any kind of dreadful disease in future, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, I was talking about the concept of immunity and fruits. As everybody knows, iPulse is a product which is nothing but a combination of antioxidant fruit blend. I am again repeating this. It is a combination of antioxidant fruit blend. So, and again an important article which appeared in the Times of India in its online blog on 13th of May 2020. The article stated something like this: people who are taking a lot of fruits and vegetables as a part of their natural diet have better innate immunity and they may be able to fight the infection much better. Again, I am repeating this. People who are regularly taking a lots of fruits and vegetables can develop better innate immunity, in the sense they can better develop their immunities well so that they can fight out this infection well. I'm not saying this. This is actually said by Dr. Reddy, who is actually a former department head at the Department of Cardiology in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi. This was said by Dr. Reddy at AIIMS, New Delhi. So this was said on 13th of May 2020. So intake of fruits and vegetables can definitely provide you a lot of resistance and a lot of immunity to cope up with the illness, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. So your answer is here. You should consume a lot of fruits on daily basis. So I'm again coming to the point of eye pulse now. As you all know, each and every human body requires at least 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants every day. Again, I am not telling this. The World Health Organization has told this. So how can you get 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, my dear friends? It is not at all possible. Suppose if you are consuming 3.5 kgs of fresh organic fruits on a daily basis, you will be able to get 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, my dear friends. But is it possible to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organically derived fruits on a daily basis? Absolutely not. You will not be able to even eat a bowl of banana if I give you, a bowl of orange if I give you. So what we have formulated is a wonderful product called as iPulse, for which you just have to consume 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis. You will be getting 7,000 units of antioxidants on a daily basis, so that your bodies can be protected with the best of the best immunity that you have got with you, so that you will not be suffering from any kind of a disease in future, my dear friends. I hope you got the importance of the article. Always consumption of the fruits on a daily basis is always important for a human body to be protected with all kinds of dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, the importance of fruits. Again, one of the TV blogs as well as one of the online articles which came on May the 18th, 2020 shows something like this. The health experts have told that the fruits, especially the berries, which includes the blueberries, the acai berries, the cranberries, the strawberries, and the use of dark chocolates, these are some of the major antioxidant fruits which are helping the human body to develop immunity, and automatically you will not be suffering from any kind of a disease in future, my dear friends. This was also one of the articles which appeared, which clearly says that the importance of fruits and its role in increasing your innate immunity, so that your bodies will be protected from all kinds of diseases in future, my dear friends. So this is how exactly the concept of immunity is ruling us today, actually, to combat this particular viral disease. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, one of the other articles which appeared in the online blog as well as the newspaper of Hindu on 18th of May 2020, the article says something like this: wholesome nutrition by including all foods in the right proportion is crucial during the COVID-19 lockdown situations. This is very important. People have to consume at least 400 grams of fruits and vegetables in a day. See, we were talking about 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants daily, and in India, the situation is like this, my dear friends. Today, people are not even consuming 400 grams of fruits every day. This is what our situation is. This is what the current scenario is, my dear friends. So if someone consumes 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, automatically they will be getting a lot of antioxidants and ORAC units of antioxidants, so that their immunity status can increase a lot and they can be protected from all kinds of dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead with the next topic that I want to cover here. So till now I spoke about the importance of fruits and its relevance to immunity. The second topic that I am speaking now is about the concept of superfruits. This is very important, the concept of superfruits. So there should be a difference between fruits and superfruits, right? You should have a difference. So otherwise fruits can itself be called as superfruits. No, there are two categories in fruits. One is a normal fruit, the other is a superfruit, my dear friends. So what is a superfruit? Superfruit can be defined something like this: a nutrient-rich fruit considered to be especially beneficial for health and well-being, my dear friends. This is very important. A nutrition-rich fruit considered to be especially beneficial for health and well-being. See, you have the fruits, you have the superfruits. So what is the major difference between these two? Fruits are actually eaten as a part of nutrition source, but superfruits are those which can help you get the functional health benefits along with the taste. You got the point? It gives you the functional health benefits along with the taste or the sensorial. That is the reason why they are called as superfruits, my dear friends. So superfruit is normally used by experts, especially like the doctors or the dietitians or the nutrition scientists. They consider these fruits as the superfruits, especially the fruits like acai berry and other berries which are rich with antioxidants. they are actually called as superfruits, my dear friends. And as I previously told you, superfruits are the fruits which can provide you the functional health benefit apart from its very good taste, its appearance, its color, its odor, its flavor. It gives you the functional health benefits, my dear friends. That is why they are called as superfruits. Well, going ahead, as everybody knows that Apples contains the most important superfruit, which is nothing but the acai berry, which is found only in the Amazon rainforests of South America, where it is indigenous. It is not growing in other parts of the globe, and we are importing the best of the best of the best acai berry freeze dried powder to be incorporated in our product, in our formulation, the apples. Well, as I told you, superfruits are the fruits which contains antioxidants. Superfruits are rich with antioxidants, and principally there are two kinds of antioxidants which are present in the superfruits, my dear friends. The first is called as the polyphenols. The second is called as the anthocyanins. Again, I am repeating this for you. Superfruits are fruits which are very rich with antioxidants. So there are basically two kinds of antioxidants in the superfruits. The first is the polyphenols. The second is the anthocyanins. So see the polyphenols, when you see, polyphenols are nothing but the super antioxidants which can provide you the best of the best of the best immunity so that your bodies are protected from all kinds of dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. Second thing is the anthocyanins, which are also the major antioxidants which are responsible for giving color to the fruit. Whenever a fruit is purple in color, it is because of the anthocyanins. Whenever your acai berry is purple in color, it is because of the anthocyanins. Whenever your blueberry is blue in color, it is because of the anthocyanins. This is how the anthocyanins help you in getting the antioxidants. This is how the nature is helping you in getting the antioxidants through these superfruits, which are rich with antioxidants, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, the other important thing that most of the people do ask me is, what is the sugar content which is present in apples? I'll tell you, my dear friends, apples does not contain sugar. Apples contains the natural sugar called as fructose. It is called as fructose or fructose, right? So normally the fructose is a natural sugar which is inherently present in the fruits, especially the superfruits and as well as the other fruits in the apples, my dear friends. Fructose is a natural sugar. Again, I am telling you, fructose is a natural sugar. It is not an artificial sugar which is added or topped up into the product apples. Well, whenever the sugars are measured, the sugars are normally measured using a scale called as glycemic index. Glycemic index of your table sugar, the sugar that you use on the regular day-to-day basis, is actually called as a sucrose, which is having a very high glycemic index of 65. Again, I am telling you, the normal sugar that you are using on a day-to-day basis is having a very high glycemic index of 65, whereas we are using fructose in the product, which is inherently present in the product, and fructose is having a very low glycemic index of nearly 19 or 20, 19 and 20. This is how fructose is all about, my dear friends. So fructose is a thing which is also beneficial for diabetes patients. That is the reason why we are always telling that apples is also beneficial for diabetes people with complications. This is very important. Diabetes people with a lot of complications, apples is a beneficial product, my dear friends. And we are using a lot of low GI fructose. You don't have to worry about even 19 or 20 glycemic index in fructose. Our product apples contains glycemic index which is around about 8 or 9, which is very very useful to be used in diabetic population for the for combating its complications as well, my dear friends. So this is how the fructose is actually seen in our product. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, as everybody knows, acai berry is actually the prime super fruit which is present in our product apples, which is a very important fruit for cardiac support. It is a number one antioxidant for anti-aging support. Acai berry itself has an antioxidant score of more than 1 lakh, which is 1000 times more than that of watermelon. It is a very good immune system support. It is also a part of the space drink which is developed by the NASA. It is also used as a food for centuries by the tribal people who are present in the Amazon forest, my dear friends. Well, apart from this, apples also contains a synergistic composition of 15 other fruits, so 14 other fruits. So totally, if I have to speak about apples formulation, it is acai berry along with 14 fruits. Totally, it contributes to 15 fruits of apples, my dear friends. I hope you got my point. Totally it is 15 fruits. Let me name them again. The first and the prime superfruit is called as acai berry. The second is blueberry. The third is blackberry, strawberry, mulberry. So these are the 5 types of berries which are present in apples. Apart from that, it also has pineapple, pear. It also has this apple, kiwi fruit, 2 types of grapes, mainly the white grape and the concord grape, cherries, banana, and orange. So totally it is comprising of 15 fruits including acai berry. So I hope you got this point. That is the reason why iPulse is actually called as a super brand. Why it is called as a super brand? Because it contains all the combination of super fruits in it. So it is called as a super brand, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. Super fruits is equal to super brand. That is how iPulse is a very important product for all of us. That is why it is called as a flagship product of Indus Viva, my dear friends. I hope today you got to understand the very important concept of what is the relationship between fruits and immunity. The second thing is what is the exact concept of super fruits and what is its relevance to iPulse, my dear friends. So finally, speaking about this topic, the super fruits which are present in the product iPulse, they are responsible for the antioxidant activity of the product, which will neutralize the free radicals, throw the free radicals outside of, out of your body, so that your body can be protected with all kinds of dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you understood it. The free radicals will be destroyed by these antioxidants present in the superfruits. Thereby, iPulse provides you a holistic health benefits, functional health benefits, and overall general health and wellness to the human body. I hope you got this point. So thank you all for your patient listening. Well, my dear friends, as I previously told you, I will be taking the last week's question first, followed by this week's question. So I know some of the questions might be unanswered today. So today my colleague Ms. Santoshini is actually taking down the questions. So once we have the questions ready for the next week, so I think we have got the questions for the next week also right now. So I'll be answering the last week's questions first, followed by today's questions. Suppose if I am not able to answer any questions of today, don't worry about it. The next Monday is again the iPulse day, wherein I'll be answering all your questions of the last week as well. So thank you for your patient listening again. So let me take up the questions now of the last week. So the first question is from Ms. Priya Shivaram. Is iPulse beneficial for people with neurological issues? Absolutely yes. You can give it from pediatric to geriatric age groups. The second question is from Ms. Uma Devi. Can I have iPulse as my diabetes is not controlled? As I previously told you, my dear friends, iPulse is a good product not for controlling or managing the sugar levels. iPulse is a good product especially for combating the complications of diabetes. This is very important. Again, I am repeating it, complications of diabetes, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Abhishek. So can iPulse be given to transplant patient, kidney transplant, as I understand? Absolutely yes. If you are giving it on a dialysis patient, it is always important to stop it on the day of dialysis and it can be continued on the remaining days so that everybody will be benefited out of this. So the next question that I am seeing here, can iPulse be given to a 4-month baby? No, it should be given only after 1 year. I hope my point is clear. So the next question is, I heard that iPulse contains more than 55 ingredients. No, absolutely iPulse contains 15 fruits. It is a combination of 15 fruits only. It is not a combination of 55 ingredients. I hope you have confused this with Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a product which contains a holistic combination of 50 herbs along with a wellness of 15 antioxidant fruits, my dear friends. Well, the next question that I am seeing here is, sir, by using iPulse, lots of cancer patients are coming to normal situation. Does free radical cells play a big role in developing cancer? Absolutely a good question. Free radicals are nothing but, they are very, what do you call, they are unstable molecules inside your body, which can lead not only to cancer, any kind of a disease in the body, my dear friends. Whenever the free radicals is affecting your brain, you can get Alzheimer's, you can get Parkinson's. If it is affecting your heart, you can get a heart attack. Similarly, when it is affecting your blood, you can get a blood cancer. So free radicals are the prime factors, are the basic reasons for the disease to be developed, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is, can iPulse be given to heart patients who have already undergone surgery? Absolutely yes. It might be an angiography or an angiogram. Definitely you can give it, my dear friends. So by consuming iPulse will help in lowering the blood pressure. Absolutely right. In both increasing and so increased blood pressure or decreased blood pressure situations, you can definitely consume iPulse, my dear friends. So the next question that I'm seeing here is for diabetes, up to what blood sugar levels we can suggest iPulse? As I told you, iPulse is a product which does not contain sugar or the table sugar or the sucrose. It contains fructose. Please give iPulse for diabetes people with complications only. That is what I'm stressing it again and again. So, can iPulse help people who are suffering from low blood pressure? As I've told you, it is absolutely correct. But one thing I want to tell you here is, in cases of low blood pressure, it is always suggested to consume 30 ml of iPulse in the morning and 30 ml of iPulse in the night. Half an hour after food is always better, because consumption of fruits after the food is always better for improving the blood count, improving the blood pressure levels also. So it can improve the blood pressure levels there. So the next question that I am seeing here from Ms. Neha is iPulse to be safe during pregnancy, to be taken during pregnancy? Absolutely yes, Ms. Neha, but only till 6 months of pregnancy is always advised. But after the 6th month, it is always better not to give. After the childbirth, for example, first month of childbirth, it should not be given. But from second month onwards, iPulse can be safely given during the period of lactation. So the next question that I'm seeing here, can iPulse be used for PCOD and PCOS conditions? Absolutely yes. Can iPulse be given to kidney patients? Definitely, but during the dialysis, please have a note. So kindly understand how psoriasis can be tackled with iPulse. See, this is one important question, and this is the last question of the last week. As I've told you in some of the Facebook lives before, psoriasis is actually an autoimmune disease which affects your body, which kills your immunity. Your body itself acts against you. Your body itself becomes an enemy towards you. So it is not a friend, it becomes a foe towards you. So psoriasis is a condition which cannot be cured completely. It can only be managed or controlled with the help of iPulse. It cannot be cured completely. Please, everyone who is actually tackling a psoriasis case, it is always better to consult a dermatologist before giving this product or during the course of the product, because the disease cannot be cured completely. Only the thing, it can be controlled or managed. I hope my point is clear. So let me take up today's questions again. So the first question I am seeing here again from Ms. Priya Shivaram. Doctor, can the same quantity of iPulse can be given to an infant, or it should be lesser? As I have told you, Ms. Priya, the formulation of iPulse is made in such a way that it can be given from 1-year-old to 100-year-old in the same dosage. So you don't have to worry about cutting the dose and all. You can give the same level of antioxidants to all the people irrespective of the age. So it will be 30 ml 2 times half an hour before food. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Ajay Kumar. What are the precautions for thalassemia? See, as I have told you, thalassemia is a genetic problem wherein blood transfusions are normally seen recurrently. So definitely iPulse can be given as a general health supplement for increasing the blood count, so that people get very good purified blood circulating in their bodies. Automatically the antioxidants can reduce the potential, the chronicity of the disease can be reduced with the use of these antioxidants, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing is from Mr. Tejesh. So give details about iVaid for US people. Well, as I have told you, again I am trying to repeat this. Each and every one of you, if you are not knowing this, there is another Facebook page called as Indus Viva INC or Indus Viva US page. Please like that page. I will be coming on Facebook Live every Friday night at 10 p.m. in the night, Indian Standard Time, which will be 11:30 in the morning, the US Standard Time, wherein I will be describing about the US product iVaid. Please do this. So the next question I am seeing from Mr. Bindu Madhavi. How much dosage should be given in case of lung cancer? Again, I am telling you, the dosage aspects are written on the packaging itself. Please have a look at it. So the next question is, please help us with Raynaud phenomenon. I'm sorry to tell about this. The genetic issues, definitely I am telling, these are the things which are not curable. It is always better to consult your healthcare provider or the physician in case of genetic issues like thalassemia or the Raynaud's phenomenon. It is always better to consult them, my dear friends. So the next thing is about, someone is asking me about the concept of fruit allergy. See, this is a very important question. Suppose if a person is having fruit allergy, how can I give iPulse? So let me try to modify this question in another way. Normally, some of the cardiologists or the general physicians generally avoid patients eating fruits. Why this exactly happens is the fruits normally contain something called as potassium. Potassium is a very dangerous substance to your heart. That is the reason why the general physicians or the doctors or whoever the cardiologists are, they try to tell that please avoid the fruits. I would like to tell you, my dear friends, one important point. iPulse contains a very good combination of 15 fruits where the potassium content is totally negligible. We have cut down the potassium content by using some of the processes in the formulation development so that the potassium levels are absolutely negligible and anybody can safely consume this product, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. So the next question that I am seeing here on my screen is from Mr. Pushparaj. Is iPulse useful for liver cirrhosis? Absolutely, and as an antioxidant, liver health can be enhanced by the use of iPulse. Definitely, you can use it. So the next question is from Ms. Yogini. It is said that iPulse help in anti-cancer. Again, I am telling you, it is only as a preventive product. One can use this for improving the quality of life, my dear friends. Nothing more than that. So the next question is which one is better for immune system support? Immune booster or immune system supporter? See, boosting is something which is an English word which is having an exaggerated meaning. It is nothing but immune system supporter itself. Both of them are synonyms, my dear friends. It is either immune system boosters or immune system supporters, one and the same. So the next question that I am seeing, the last question of the day that I am taking today is, I want to ask that products are safe after 6 months of pregnancy. As I have told you, up to 6 months of pregnancy, it is always desired to use the product. But after 6 months of pregnancy, it is not advisable to use any of the wellness products or any of the products for that matter, because we as a company, we don't want to interfere between the nature here, so that we don't want any of the products to cause any of the supposed adverse reactions or side effects in the pregnant lady, which can occur because of the visceral organs of the infant which are developing inside the body. So we don't want to interfere in any of the processes. That is the reason why I am clearly telling up to 6 months of pregnancy is always safe, but after the childbirth, first month should not be used. From second month onwards, the mother can use all our Indus Vivas wellness products, my dear friends. I hope you have got some knowledge regarding the concept of immunity and fruits and the superfruits in iPulse. So I've tried to answer some of your questions today. So don't worry if your questions were left unanswered. The next Monday, the iPulse day, again I'm going to come back with another topic on iPulse and answer all your unanswered questions, my dear friends. So thank you so much for your patient listening. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk at the Viva Tower, Corporate Office of Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.